Like a lot of folks are tracking that monster storm out there.
That's right. So we have Hurricane Melissa, a Category 5 hurricane that is heading in the northeasterly direction, likely going to make landfall as a Category 5 later on today and on the island of Jamaica. But seeing major impacts, dealing with heavy rainfall because of the slow-moving storm and also the risk for catastrophic winds. We are seeing a Category 5 hurricane right within that eye walls where we have the strongest winds. Again, those winds sustained at 175 miles per hour with wind gusts over 195 miles an hour. Right now it is located, the eye of the storm located 115 miles west-southwest of Kingston, Jamaica, and it is pushing to the north-northeast only at 5 miles per hour, making landfall as a Category 5 hurricane later on today. It is going to travel across the Caribbean, so as it does travel over land a bit more, it is going to cut off that open water supply. So likely going to have the storm weaken, although still a catastrophic Category 4 hurricane as we approach Wednesday morning. It is going to travel to the northeast, not having any impacts on the U.S., but as it does push into the Atlantic, it will enter cooler water and will likely weaken as we get closer to the weekend. But it is a storm, a monster storm we're going to be closely watching this week. Out the door this morning, skies are mainly cloudy. Temperatures 50 degrees, winds out of the east at 8 miles per hour. We have temperatures in the upper 30s to the north. It has dropped to 36 in Muncie. We have more breaks in the clouds in those spots versus the west and the southwest, which is why we still have temperatures in the 50s closer to Terre Haute and Bloomington. Winds are streaming in out of the east anywhere from 5 to 10 miles per hour, and it is enough to create a wind chill for areas north of Indianapolis. Right now it feels like 34 in Kokomo with a wind chill down to 36 degrees in Muncie. Showing you Forum Live Guardian radar, not seeing much shower activity other than in our southwestern counties closer to Terre Haute and Sullivan. There is an isolated shower closer to there. For today, we will have a limited shower chance. We have 10% coverage, but rain chances rise much more for the evening and overnight tonight. I do want to show you Futurecast for today because we will have mostly cloudy skies, definitely seeing more sunshine to the northeast of Indianapolis until we head into the late afternoon. This is right around 6 p.m. where we have a few showers around. Rain chances rise much more during the overnight. Likely going to have an active radar tomorrow, and the heaviest rain is going to occur south of I-70. For today, 60 for the high. We will have that weak shower chance during the afternoon, and winds are going to be out of the east-southeast running 5 to 15 miles per hour with wind gusts up to 20 miles per hour. We'll fall into the 50s this evening with a chance for rainfall tonight. 43 is going to be the low temperature. Wind speeds picking up tonight, and for tomorrow, there is a chance that we'll have wind gusts up to 30 miles per hour for tomorrow with this nearby storm system. Only a high of 53 degrees for Wednesday. Most of the showers that we see on Wednesday impacting the southern half of the state. What's going to happen is this storm system is going to pivot to the east and northeast. We'll have a lingering shower chance on Thursday, but most of the activity is going to impact east central Indiana. Let's take a look at our extended forecast. And as we head into Halloween, it does look dry for the Indianapolis area. Temperatures are going to be in the 50s as we head into the weekend. So we should have a high of 55 on Halloween, partly cloudy skies. Saturday and Sunday looking primarily dry. Highs in the 50s will rise up to 62 on Monday. Melissa?